Unlock your creativity with Miro. Discover how this powerful collaboration tool can transform your brainstorming sessions, streamline project planning, and enhance team communication. Ready to elevate your workflow? Let's dive in. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you how you can use Miro.com. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser like that, and you will find this page by just diving into Miro.com. So this is the homepage as you can see. So to get started with Miro, you can just click over sign up and you write your email address and your password, then you get started. So welcome to the innovation workspace, a single AI powered collaboration platform that helps teams move faster from idea to outcome. So this is how it looks, and we have here videos to show that, as you can see.
So, what's happened to how
I
we
will
work
also
today?
show you
I mean,
the
there's an
details.
update meeting about an we message isn't working in workspace. You could be stuck creating and find it all in one handy space.
As you can see,
Some help. Stakeholders are feeling good. Project from start to finish.
here we have how it works
So
in just a few minutes.
Miro.
I will show you all these tips step by step. So what is Miro? Miro is an online collaborative whiteboard platform designed for teams to brainstorm, plan, and visualize ideas in real time. It offers a variety of tools like sticky notes, templates, and drawing features, enabling users to work together regardless of their physical location. So Miro is widely used for project management, design thinking, and agile workflows, making it a versatile tool for enhancing creativity and productivity. So I will show you how. So firstly, you have just to click over sign up for free. Once you do that, you will find this page as you can see. So you have just to write your email address like that. And here we have recommend using your work email. It keeps work and life separate. Once you click over continue with email and you write it, you will find this page. But before, you have also if you want to use Google and other option, which is Microsoft and Slack. And then you'll find this page. We have to check your email. I've just sent you a unique sign-in link to your email, as you can see. Then you will find this page, as you can see. So here we have it, and this is how it looks. So here we have firstly unlock Miro superpowers, bring ideas to life with unlimited boards, guest access, and we have here over than 2,500 gigabytes, as you can see. So here we have firstly explore templates. You can choose firstly the template that you want. For example, here we have all templates, and we have recent here, Miroverse building blocks. Then we have a use case such as we have meetings here and workshops, ideation and brainstorming. Then we have research and design, agile workflows. Then we have strategy and planning. Then we have your diagramming and mapping, and we have your presentations and slides, as you can see. So we have also here building blocks, like here we have sticky notes, mind maps, table and slides, and building blocks. And for each one you have here to choose the one you want. For example, in the Metaverse we have here speakers, and by use case we have here, for example, meeting and workshops, and we have here this one also, ideation and brainstorming. Then you have research and design, so choose the platform or the template that you want. Then we have a flow chart, mind map, Kanban framework, and we have quick retrospective and intelligent templates. So you have just also to click over create new. You can just here we have broad, we have here space, import, export template, and export Miroverse. So let's just click over this one, as you can see. So I mean this one. So about this one, we have here firstly you have to write the title, as I did. Then you click over enter, and in the right we have here the board. For example, if you want a new board, make a copy, export, move to, and we have here if you want to delete, background color, and start view, history, and details. Then we have here edit. If you want to endo, redo, find, then we have here the view, like here we have grid, comments on board, scroll bars, and we have object dimensions, and we have endo controls, and we have the enter full screen. Then we have your preferences, mouse or trackpad. We have align objects, reduce motion. Then we have profile settings. Then we have your sensor interactive display. And the left we have here select the thumbnail you want. For example, you can select this one. And here we have also other options, like here we have my account, and if you want to share with your team, and we have here present, you can select board or talk track. And also we have here file station tools and reaction. For example, here we have 14 pivot mode, we have a note, and we have timer and note 14. About the note, we have here to-do list, meeting agenda, and we have your project summary, workshop notes, and board annotation. So you can just select the one you want, for example this one, and you can add, for example, the action item that you want. And you can just click over a panel, and then you click over enter. Then we have also your activity, like here we have board and team, and here we have comments and recording, and all comments you can select also mentions and replies. Then we have show resolved also, and this is it. We have also your timer, note, and we have private mode and voting. So this is about this one. About this one, you have just to choose the size that you want. For example, if you want to zoom out, and if you want to zoom in, for example, I'll choose this one. Then we have here help and resources. We have here send feedback, help center, learning center, what's new, and we have keyboard shortcuts. Then we have here frames and layers. For example, here we have frames, layers, and that's it. Then we have also here other options like templates, like here. And also we have here create with EA. You can just ask about sticky notes like ideas, user stories, pain points, and we have here how much we. Then you have your documents also. For example, we have your retrospective summary, and we have your product brief, and we have research sentences, and we have your meeting notes. Then we have here image like illustration, flat design, low poly. We have comic and 3D render. Then we have also the other one, which is diagram. About this one, we have such as flow chart, mind map, your diagram, and we have your ML sequence and your ML class. Then we have a sticky note, for example this one. Then we have your text. So about the sticky note, you can just select the one you want, and you will just paste it here, for example. And about this one, you can just delete it if you want by clicking here, and you delete. Or click over delete, or you can just come here and delete all this template, all this sticky note and you select the one you want. And you can also choose the color, and you choose here the color and the size and other options. Then you have also here, if you want to add a text, for example the size, and if you want to here also font style, alignment, and we have here add list, insert link, and other options. Then we have here shapes and lines. For example, I will select this one, and I will just put it like that, and here we have it. And I will select also which one I want, and also the color. I'll select the black one, and this is it. Then we have here note, for example, and here we have also tools, media, and integration. So here we have highlighter, frame, and we have stickers, emoji, and gifs, and we have here comments. Also, we have other options like marketplace, and here we have the option of endo and redo. And this is it, how it works, and the option or the settings that we have in Miro.com. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video.